Hi. In today's video, we'll talk about how to get approved for an FHA loan. Stay engaged until the end of the video to learn how to do this and more. The first step in getting an FHA mortgage is to find a mortgage lender approved for FHA loans. You can find this information through the HUD lender directory online. FHA-approved lenders have different interest rates and eligibility criteria, so it's important to do thorough research before starting the application process. The good news is that you can apply to several lenders to increase your chances of getting a favorable loan. Be aware that some lenders may charge an application fee for FHA loans. After submitting your applications, pre-approval letters usually arrive within a day or two and are typically valid for 60 to 90 days. If you decide to proceed with one of the mortgages after pre-approval, the lender may require updated financial information, including your most recent bank statements. Here's a summary of the general qualification criteria for FHA loans. Applicants must have a verifiable source of income and a valid Social Security number. You cannot be approved for an FHA loan if you have had a foreclosure in the last 3 years. Applicants can only use an FHA loan to purchase their primary residence, meaning you won't be approved for an investment property or a second home. The property must pass a home inspection to meet minimum standards, and an FHA-approved entity must appraise the home to estimate its value. Additionally, you must pay a down payment based on your credit score. For example, individuals with a credit score of 580 and above must pay a down payment of 3.5% of the property's value. So there you have it. Getting an FHA mortgage is straightforward if you follow these steps. Thanks for watching, and until next time.